Hi everyone, this lesson is on translations. Another word for translation is a slide. So basically what we're doing is we're taking the original image and we're moving it to another location. That's all translations is. Okay, so let's get started. We have figure ABC. So let's plot the points for ABC on our coordinate plane. A is located at -4, up 1, -4, and is left 4, up 1. This is A. B is located at left 2, up 3. Left 2, 1, 2, and up 1, 2, 3. Make sure you label everything. This is B. And C is located left 1, up 1, left 1, up 1. So this is C. Now we can just connect the points. See, we have our triangle ABC, and we want to move it. That's what we mean by translate. We want to move it to another location. Okay, the location we want it to go to is going to be 4 units to the right and 1 unit up from where it's at right now. So let's do that. And we do that by moving each point one at a time. So let's start with C. It doesn't matter which one you start with. Let's start with C. We're going to move it 4 unit right. 4 unit right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 unit up. All right, let me start that over again because I lost my place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. So this is A prime. No, I'm sorry, this is C prime because I just moved C. All right, and we notate it this way to show that this is the image of C. C is the pre-image, C is the original, and this is the image of C. This is the new location for the original. Okay, let's go ahead and do B. 4 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 unit up. So this is B prime. This is the image of B. Let's do A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1. So this is A prime. And we just connect. And that's it. So we translated ABC, 4 units right, 1 unit up. This is how you say it in word form, but this is how you say it in algebraic form. You move every x value 4 units to the right. You move every y value 1 unit up. Okay, so that would be +1. So x plus 4, comma, y plus 1 is the same thing as 4 units right and 1 unit up. All right, so let's look at the next one, figure KLMN. Let's go ahead and plot these points that give us this figure. K is located at 1, -3. So we have to go right 1, down 3. Right 1, down 1, 2, 3. Okay, remember this is the y-axis. Let me highlight that. This is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. And the origin is our starting point. Okay, 3 right, 1 down. 3 right, 1, 2, 3, and 1 down. All right, I need to label this K, and this one here is L. And now M is located 4 units right and 2 units down. 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 units down, 1, 2. So this is M. N is located 3 units right, 4 units down. 3 units right, 1, 2, 3, and 4 units down. 1, 2, 3. And this is N. Okay, let's just connect the points. All right. So now we want to move this figure here 3 units left and 2 units up. The way we would say that algebraically would be this way, x minus 3, because the x-axis goes right and left. Since we're going left on the x-axis, that would be a minus. And 2 units up, the y-axis goes up and down, so we have to add 2 to go up on the y-axis. All right, so let's go ahead and draw the image of this figure KLMN. All right, so let's start with K. We're going to go 3 units left, 1, 2, 3, and up to 1, 2. Let me just check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, that's correct. So this is K prime. Let's move L. 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2. So this is L prime. Let's move M. 1, 2, 3, and up to 1, 2. So this is M prime. Let's move N. 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2. So this is N prime. And that's it. All right, let's go and do the next one. Figure M and O. All right, let's plot the points. M is located at right 1, down 3. Remember, this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. This is where everything starts, the origin. All right, so we're going to go right 1 and down 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's M. Now let's do N. That's right 3, down 1. Right 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 1. And that is N. Right 3, down 3 for O. Right 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3. So this is O. When we connect the dots, we have our pre-image. All right, now let's go ahead and translate that. 2 units right and 2 units up is the same thing as saying x plus 2, y plus 2. All right, so let's do that. Let's start with N. 2 units right, 1, 2, and 2 units up, 1, 2. So this is N prime. Let's do O. 2 units right, 1, 2, and up 1, 2. This is O prime. Let's do M. 2 units right, 1, 2, and up to 1, 2. And this is M prime. And sometimes they overlap, just like in this example, which is okay. Okay? All right, let's do the next one. Figure KLM. Let's plot the points. So you're going to go left 1, up 3 for K. Let's draw in the y-axis and the x-axis. All right, so left 1, up 3, 1, 2, 3. This is K. Left 2, down 1. Left 2, down 1. This is M. Right 1, up 2. Right 1, up 1, 2. So this is L. Okay? Now let's translate that. 3 units right, 2 units up. This is the same as saying x plus 3, y plus 2. Let's do that. All right, let's start with L. 3 units right, 1, 2, 3, and 2 units up. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So this is L prime. Okay, let's do K. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is K prime. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And this is M prime. All right, we just connect the points, and that's it. We have our translation. All right, let's go to the next page. And here we're doing a reflection. Okay, these are all the steps. Okay, you reflect over lines. We're going to reflect over X today. In this example, we're going to reflect over the y-axis. This is the y-axis. And we will also reflect over the x-axis. Here in this image here, they only reflected this triangle over the y-axis. So this is the pre-image, because it's the original, and this is the image. How do I know? Because it has the apostrophes. That's how I know. All right, so let's go ahead and work on this. So we have triangle ABC. Let's plot the points. So right 2, up 4, right 2, 1, 2, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is A. Right 5, up 4, right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 1, 2, 3, 4. B. Right 5 and up 2. So here's 5, up 1, 2. So this is C. So connect the points. So this is our pre-image. Okay, we want to reflect it over the x-axis, which is this line right here. So this is your mirror. So it should appear right here. Okay, so let's do that. So all we have to do is see how far is C, how many units is C away from the x-axis, okay? And so we just go over to the other side as many units away from the x-axis, and that would be C prime. How far is B away from the x-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4. We want it to be 4 units away from the x-axis on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is B prime. A, 1, 2, 3. It's 4 units away from the x-axis. So we're going to go over to the other side, 4 units away. 1, 2, 3, 4, and plot A prime. So now we have the reflection of triangle ABC over the x-axis. Now let's do a reflection over the y-axis. Trying to use a different color. Let's go ahead and use the black. And just highlight that. Some more. This is the y-axis. We want to reflect over it, so it's going to appear right here. So you just measure how far is A away from the y-axis. 2 units away. You go over 2 units to the other side and plot A prime. How far is B away from the y-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go over to the other side, 5 units away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you plot B prime. C, how far is it away from the y-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units away. Go over to the other side, 5 units away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is C prime. Sorry. Let's try to straighten that out a little bit. And that's it. So that's a reflection over the y-axis. Okay? We will be doing more reflections in another lesson. All right, let's go to the next page. I don't know how easy it's going to be to graph on this, but I'll do my best. Okay. So let's graph this triangle here. L is located 3 left, 1 down. 3 left, 1, 2, 3, and 1 down. So this is L. I is located -1, left 1, up 4. Left 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4. This is I. And P is located right 2, up 2, right 1, 2, and up 2. This is P. So there's our pre-image. Now let's translate that. Okay, 2 units right, 4 units down. Let's start with P. 2 units right, 1, 2, and 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is P prime. Let's do the same thing with I. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm sorry. It should be just 2. 1, 2, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is I prime. And now let's do L. Right 2. 1, 2, and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I down 4? Yeah. So this is L prime. All right, last one. They want you to put the vertices of the image. So L is located right here at -1, down 5, -5. And I is located at, I think it was 1, down 1. Let me check again. All right, 2, 1, 2, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's located right 1 and 0. Okay, let me triple check. I, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's correct. Okay, P prime is located right 1, 2, 3, 4, and down -2. Okay, that's what they want you to do there. All right, last one. Right 2, up 2. Right 2, up 2. So this is D. Right 4, up 1. Right 4, up 1. And this is U. Right 3, down 2. Right 3, down 1, 2. And this is C. And 0, -1. So 0, -1 is right here. So that's K. So we can connect the points. Okay, so now let's slide that. Let's translate it. Let's start with D, 4 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1, 2, 3. Since it's faded out, I'm going to double check. Left 4, up 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It looks good. Okay, so that's D prime. Let's do U. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And that's U prime. K, 4 left, 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It's K prime. C, 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1, 2, 3. C prime. So we can connect. And that's it. Okay, and the rest of it, C, D, E, and F, is homework for you to try on your own. All right, let me put the points, the new ordered pairs. For D prime is located -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. U prime is located right here, so it's going to be 0, 4. C is located at -1, 1. And that looks like a 4. Let me fix that. And K is located at -4, up 2. All right, and this concludes this video on translations.